everyone! Just wanted to say hey, check in. Trying this on a new video thing today, so let's see how this goes. First things first, I actually did get January's Kinder Beauty box, and I tried recording a video for that. It did not pan out. So instead what I'm going to do is I've actually used some of those products for a couple weeks now, and I'm going to tell you my reviews of them. The first one is 100% pure coffee bean caffeine eye cream. This stuff is awesome. It smells so good. It smells like I'm in a Starbucks every time I use it. It's just delightful. And I think it actually does help wake up my eyes. So I actually am very, very happy with this. The second thing is the Andalou Turmeric and Sea Enlightening Serum. Okay, this stuff, honestly, I was a little bit scared about when I first tried it because I'm very sensitive to things. So I put it on my hand and it tingled a bit, so I was very scared to put it on my face. But since the tingling subsided in a few minutes, I tried it, and honestly, this stuff is awesome. So I actually use it every morning now, and I guess you can use it morning and evening, but I don't because I'm not going to buy this thing again. This is like, I don't have the thingy, but it's more than 20 bucks, which is more than I'm going to spend on a serum. So I'm going to make this last a while. But I don't know, it was very good. I liked it. And the third thing I kept around is the Anika Loose Mineral Eyeshadow in Peach Fetish. And let me tell you guys, this stuff is very, very bold actually for, it's like a bold neutral, which I think is a weird thing to say, but here, I'm gonna put this on my thing and you can see it. It's like, I used it as an eyeshadow several times, and it is like, it's pretty bold. Let's see if you can see it here. Like, it's very bright and shiny. Yeah, so if you can tell the difference between my hand and it. So see, it's like, yeah, it's much bolder than I thought it would be based on what it looks like in the thing here. So, but it's a very pretty color. I love it. But so here is the second Kinder Beauty box. This is the February box, and I know that there was actually a lot of controversy about this box, so I actually know what's in it. I know that a lot of people are not for Kat Von D, but her eyeliner is in this box, and I've heard crazy good things about the eyeliner, so I'm very excited to try it out. And it normally runs for like, what, 24 bucks or something? So that's the cost of this box alone. The other four are basically bonuses. So without further ado, let's open the box. Also, guys, I want to point out the box has cute little hearts on it because it was February, but I am sad that the box all about love came after Valentine's Day because we should work on getting that sooner. That's like one of the few things I would change about this box. So, Kinder Beauty box. Let's see. Oh, it just tells all the stuff in here. It doesn't tell a story like the last one did, but that's okay. We'll get to this in a minute. So the first thing in the box is Aldora lashes, and I do not use fake lashes, so I am actually going to give these away to, let's say, the first commenter for this video. If you like lashes, leave a comment. Leave a comment and be publicly following this video, or my channel actually. Be publicly following the channel. And yeah, I will send these to you because false eyelashes scare me. I do not want glue anywhere remotely close to my eyeballs. So, giving these away. Okay, the second thing we have here is a Skin Detox Rehab Mask. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. And this is by Dreah Organics. And I guess you mix water with this or something. I'm not sure, but like it looks like sand, and I'm not gonna get it any closer there because like I'm afraid I'll pour it all out on my floor. It doesn't really smell like anything, honestly. Let's read the ingredient or the back and see what we're doing here. Okay. It says scoop out dry powder into a dish, slowly add water until a paste forms, apply all over face, avoid eye area, and let dry for 15 minutes. Remove, applying a wet cloth to your face. Ingredients: white kaolin clay, French pink clay, grapeseed extract, and papaya extract. So yeah, this is pretty basic, and I'm actually quite excited to try this. I really, really like masks, so this will be fun. Okay, and here is the tattoo liner, Kat Von D. Yeah, everyone's been crazy about this and telling Kinder Beauty Box not to include Kat Von D in future boxes. I'm not gonna go into any of that. All I'm gonna say is I'm excited to try this stuff on, because yeah, this is very pigmented, it seems. Like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, look at that. That is beautiful. I have a huge problem with eyeliner, you know, getting it to like go on my face properly and stay there, so hoping this does the trick. I personally am excited. I'm not going to weigh in on the controversy there. I am going to say, actually I guess I am going to weigh in on the controversy. Vaccines don't cause autism. Vaccines save lives, so. But still excited to try this eyeliner. Now, for the next thing that also stirred up some controversy, Ambreesh 24 Karat Lips. Yeah, there we go. Now, from what I can tell, there were 2 different colors that you could have, and mine is Hey Doll. Now, I like big bright lips, but I did not put lipstick on today so I could show you what this looks like applied. And I guess the controversy was there's a bunch of ingredients in the thing. Like, to me, it's vegan and it's cruelty-free, so honestly, who cares? Okay, so this, you know, in the bottle, it looked very, very light, but on my skin, it's actually still a little, it's not as bright as I would like, but, here, let's put some of this on. Okay. You guys forgive me if this looks awful. I've never used a camera to put lipstick on before, so this is a first. Actually, it's not too bad. Okay. This will probably be added into my rotation of lip gloss. So this one's called Hey Doll. There's another one you could get, but I guess is brighter. I don't really know, honestly. But yeah, so that's what it looks like on my hands, and that's what it looks like on my lips. If you have not vampire skin tone, you will probably have different results. But yeah, this one dried. This one was actually very fast in the drying process. Let me put another coat on and see if it deepens it, maybe. So, anyway, I love lip product. So, I'm actually kind of excited by this. All right, let's move on to, I think, our last thing in here is a Derma E Essentials Nourishing Rose Cleansing Oil with argan and jojoba oils. So, yeah, there we go. How do you use this? I've never used a cleansing oil, so let's see. Gently massage a dime-size amount into dry face and neck. Using a warm, damp cloth, wipe the oil from your skin. Use in morning and evening. Okay, so do you use this after makeup remover or as makeup remover? I don't know, but it was a cute box, and I will use 4 of the things in it this month. So I like the lip balm. I like the Kat Von D liner. I'm very curious to try the mask, and I'm gonna give this cleansing oil a chance. Like, I guess you use it after you've already wiped the makeup off your face. I'm not sure, really. But, yeah. And once again, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. First person to leave a comment, these are yours, because I have no desire to have anything glued to my eyes. So these are for you, because I don't know, these scare me even just looking at them. I don't even think these are connected. I think these are like individual lashes, look. So yeah, you guys have at it. I'm not doing it. Subscribe, leave a message. And yeah. Oh, I forgot. I didn't tell you guys what I thought of the last 2 products, or the last product of last month. There was another eyeliner, like from Honeybee Farms or something, and I actually did not like that one so much. It didn't, I don't know, it had a hard time. It like got stuck if I didn't hold my eyes a certain way. It did not go on well at all. So I did not enjoy that one myself personally. Yeah, that was not one of my favorites, but maybe someone else would enjoy it. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of stick eyeliners to begin with, honestly. So the liquid liner, I'm hoping I have much better luck with. You know what I actually really need, I hope, is in the next box, is a mascara. I have a hard time with mascara. I always end up with like spider eyes. You know, like the clumpy spider eyes. So yeah, that's a thing. Once again, this lipstick dries very quickly. I actually do like it a lot, though. Okay, so anyway, that is all for this month. Oh, and something else that I had said in that video I attempted to do last month. I am not doing the mermaid boxes anymore because I had the basic mermaid box, which was $20 a month. The deluxe box was $30 a month. And what they did is they stopped having the basic box, they combined them into the 2, and now all the boxes are $30 a month. So I can't afford both a $30 mermaid box and the Kinder box, and I know that everything in the Kinder box is vegan and cruelty-free, so I will be sticking with this one for now. So no more mermaid box. Sorry guys, if you find a cheaper mermaid box that you want to recommend to me, then let me know in the comments. And that's it. Thanks. See you again next month.